Have you heard about the big news at work?
No, what's going on?
Well, it's still on the down low for now, but I heard the company is planning to open a new branch overseas.
Really? That sounds exciting. Do you know where it's going to be?
I think it's going to be in Singapore, but remember, that's on the down low for now. They're still finalizing the details.
Wow, Singapore. That would be a great opportunity. Are they planning to transfer any of us there?
I heard there might be some opportunities for relocation, but they haven't made any official announcements yet.
I would love to work abroad for a while. It would be such a great experience.
I agree. Just make sure you keep this information to yourself for now. We don't want any rumors spreading.
Of course. My lips are sealed. When do you think they'll make the official announcement?
Probably in a few weeks, once everything is confirmed. They want to make sure all the plans are solid before going public.
Makes sense. I'll be keeping an eye out for any updates. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. Just remember, that's on the down low for now.
How have you been? I heard you were feeling under the weather last week.
Oh, I'm fine now. I'm fit as a fiddle.
That's great to hear. What was wrong? That's great to hear. What was wrong?
Just a nasty cold. I was stuck in bed for a few days.
Well, you certainly look healthy now. Did you do anything special to recover so quickly?
Just plenty of rest, lots of fluids, and some good old chicken soup.
Chicken soup always does the trick. So, are you back to your normal routine?
Yes, I even went for a jog this morning. Felt great.
Impressive. I wish I had your energy. I've been feeling so sluggish lately.
Maybe you need to get more exercise. It really helps boost your energy levels.
You're probably right. I've been meaning to start a new workout routine.
You should. Start slow and build up. Before you know it, you'll be feeling fit as a fiddle too.
Thanks for the motivation. I'll definitely give it a try.
Anytime. If you need a workout buddy, let me know.
I might take you up on that offer. It's always easier with a friend.
Have you tried that new beauty salon downtown?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yeah, I went there last weekend. The services are amazing. They have a great facial treatment.
Really, I've been looking for a place to get a facial. My skin has been acting up lately.
You should definitely give it a try. The staff are very professional and they use high-quality products.
That sounds perfect. Do they offer any other services?
Yes, they do. They have manicures, pedicures, haircuts, and even massages.
Wow, it's like a one-stop shop for all beauty needs.
Exactly, I had a pedicure there, and it was so relaxing.
I could really use a good pedicure. My feet are so tired from all the walking I've been doing.
You won't regret it. Plus, they have a great ambiance. The place is really clean and beautifully decorated.
That sounds wonderful. How are the prices? Are they reasonable?
I think so. They're not the cheapest, but considering the quality of service, I'd say it's worth every penny.
I don't mind paying a bit more for good quality. Do you have to make an appointment, or can you just walk in?
It's better to make an appointment because they get quite busy, especially on weekends.
Thanks for the tip. I'll call them today and book an appointment for this weekend.
Great, let me know how it goes. Maybe we can go together next time.
That sounds like a plan. I can't wait to pamper myself a little.
You deserve it. Taking time for self-care is so important.
Absolutely. Thanks for the recommendation.
Hey, you seem a bit down. What's going on?
I've been thinking a lot about what happened at work last week. It's really bothering me.
You mean the argument with your boss?
Yeah, I just can't stop replaying it in my head. I feel like I could have handled it better.
I understand, but sometimes it's better to put it behind you and move forward.
I know, but it's hard to forget. I keep thinking about what I should have said differently.
Dwelling on it won't change the past. Have you tried talking to your boss about it?
Not yet. I'm worried it might make things worse.
It might actually help to clear the air, but even if you don't, it's still important to move on. Holding on to this stress isn't good for you.
You're right. It's just easier said than done.
Maybe start by focusing on the positives. Think about what you can learn from the experience instead of what went wrong.
That makes sense. I'll try to shift my perspective.
And remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's how you recover and learn from them that really matters.
Thanks for the advice. I'll do my best to put it behind me and move forward.
Anytime. If you need to talk more about it, I'm here for you.
We need to talk about what happened yesterday.
Sure. What's on your mind?
I heard you've been spreading rumors about me at work.
Rumors? I just told people what I heard.
Well, it's not true and it's damaging my reputation. I need you to stop.
Why should I? Maybe people deserve to know.
Don't threaten me. I'm serious. This is crossing a line.
It's not a threat, it's just the truth.
No, it's not. And if you keep this up, I'll have to report you to HR.
Report me? For what?
For harassment and spreading false information. I'm not going to let you ruin my career over lies.
You can't prove anything.
Actually, I can. I have witnesses who heard you.
You wouldn't dare.
Try me, just don't threaten me again, and this will be the end of it.
Fine, whatever. I'll stop, but you better watch yourself.
No, you better watch yourself. This is your last warning.
What's going on over there? Why are those two guys shouting at each other?
It looks like they're about to get into a fight. We should probably do something.
You're right. Let's go over and try to break it up before it gets worse. Hey guys, what's going on here?
This jerk just cut in line and started yelling at me.
I didn't cut in line, you just weren't paying attention.
All right, calm down, both of you. There's no need to fight about this.
She started it.
No, you did.
Listen, it doesn't matter who started it. Fighting isn't going to solve anything. Let's break it up and talk it out.
Fine, but she needs to apologize.
I'm not apologizing for something I didn't do.
How about this? We all take a step back, calm down, and try to understand each other's point of view. Can we do that?
I guess so.
Good. Now Laura, can you explain what happened from your perspective?
I was standing in line, and suddenly she just pushed past me and started shouting.
That's not what happened. I thought you were just standing there and not in line.
Okay. Sounds like it might have been a misunderstanding. Agnes, can you see how Laura might have felt that you were cutting in line?
Yeah, I can see that. Maybe I overreacted.
And Laura, can you understand that Agnes might not have realized you were in line?
Yeah, I get it. I guess I could have spoken up instead of getting angry.
There you go. See, talking it out works much better than fighting. Let's break it up and move on.
Agreed. No harm done, and now we can all enjoy our day.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate you stepping in.
Yeah, thanks for helping us sort this out.
No problem. Just remember, it's always better to talk things through.
Absolutely. Now, how about we all grab a coffee and relax?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, let's do that. Did you see Jessica's post on social media yesterday?
Yeah, I did. She was definitely throwing shade at someone.
I know, right? Who do you think it was directed at?
I'm not sure, but it sounded like it was aimed at Sarah.
Oh, definitely. Jessica's comment about some people needing to mind their own business was pretty obvious.
Do you think Sarah will respond?
She might, but knowing Sarah, she usually tries to take the high road.
True, but it's so unnecessary for Jessica to throw shade like that. It just creates more drama.
I agree, they should just talk things out directly instead of posting vague comments online.
Exactly, it would save everyone a lot of trouble.
Do you remember the last time this happened? It blew up into a huge argument?
Yeah, and it took weeks for things to calm down.
I hope they learn from that and handle it better this time.
Me too. It's always better to communicate directly rather than indirectly throwing shade.
Absolutely, it just causes more confusion and hurt feelings.
Let's just stay out of it and hope they sort things out soon.
Agreed, no need for us to get involved in their drama.
Dinner is ready. I made your favorite pasta.
Thanks, but I'm not really hungry right now.
Really? You usually love pasta. What's wrong?
I don't know, I just don't feel like eating. I've lost my appetite.
That's not like you. Are you feeling okay?
I've been a bit stressed lately. Maybe that's why.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about what's bothering you?
It's just work and some personal stuff. It's all piling up.
That sounds tough. You should try to eat something, though. It might make you feel better.
Maybe later. Right now, I just can't think about food.
How about some tea or a light snack? It might help you relax.
Tea sounds nice. I could use something warm.
I'll make some for you. Do you want chamomile or peppermint?
Chamomile, please. Thanks for understanding.
No problem. Just remember, I'm here for you if you need to talk or need anything.
I appreciate that. Sometimes just knowing someone cares makes a big difference.
Anytime. Let's sit down with our tea and maybe watch something to take your mind off things.
That sounds good. Thanks again for being so supportive.
Of course, we'll get through this together.
For crying out loud, why is this report still not done?
I'm sorry, I've been swamped with other tasks. I'll get it finished as soon as possible.
Swamped or not, this report was due yesterday. We can't keep missing deadlines.
I understand, but I had to handle an unexpected project from the boss.
For crying out loud, we need better time management around here. Did you communicate this to the boss?
I did, but he insisted that the other project was a top priority.
We can't keep letting these last-minute changes affect our regular work. It's causing too much chaos.
I agree, but what do you suggest we do? It's hard to balance everything.
We need to have a clear plan and stick to it, and we need to communicate better. If something urgent comes up, let me know immediately so we can adjust.
That makes sense. I'll make sure to keep you updated from now on.
Good. For crying out loud, we can't let this happen again. The client is waiting, and we need to deliver.
Absolutely. I'll prioritize the report and get it done today.
Thank you. Let's make sure we stay on top of our tasks and avoid these last-minute scrambles.
Agreed. I'll do my best to manage my time better and keep you in the loop.
Great. Let's move forward and make sure we meet all our deadlines from now on.
Thank you for watching, and hopefully useful, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.